all right, man. They said there was a door over there without no handle on. I thought the movie Get Out. I ain't going down there.
So then we pop in over here. And this is where there's another bathroom just in case you need that. And then this is the office.
Oh, that's with the water feature on the back.
So yeah, so you'll have your water feature going, and then you just be in here banging it out, making sure everything goes well.
I'm all right, man. They said there was a door over there without no handle on. I thought the movie Get Out. I ain't going down there.
You see, and then on top of here, there's the obviously for the help. There's another space over here, so you can park your cars out here, park your cars in here. Yeah, staff quarters up here. This is crazy, guys. But I'm glad that people are finding value in what South Africa actually has to offer. So, I mean, it's nothing glamorous, but it's a great place. A 2-bedroom for staff. The doors aren't open. I'm not going to open them, but the staff has a room. Yeah. Then they got a bathroom, shower here.
Not a bad space compared to some of the ones we've seen.
I think I hit him over the head with this one here. There's a few more I can show him, but I'm gonna keep it light. So all I can say is you see everybody behind me, they seem to be enjoying themselves. And what you got to say, Tasha?
This house is gorgeous. I would just like the fact that it's got like that little Tuscany vintage old world feel. It's very comfortable. You could easily chill out here. And I like the fact that the backyard is hid behind this beautiful wall and it's in a cul-de-sac. So like you can't just, I mean, most of the states you can't rock up, but if you find your way over here.
Yeah, you a lucky guy. Well, we'll see you guys here in sunny South Africa.